kunwari is yung serious matter na sa health, I will pa rin sa mga professional.
Okay, thank you for the answer po. Then, okay po. We have 5 more questions na po. I'll be very quick. Here lang. I'll paste it lang here muna so you can see for yourself. Pero okay, we start with this one po. This part po assesses your cues and reasoning when it comes to ano po. When you come across these reels that could be AI generated. So, parang ano lang, yung cues notice and how judgments are formed. So, yung first question po here dito is ano po. What signs in a medical advertisement video make you suspect that it's AI generated or manipulated? So basically, how do you not fall for AI?
I think sometimes yun nga, sometimes yung videos ay
More suspicious.
makikita mo yung face is not in sync with the voice, may blurry movements, parang ganun. So, pagkakita pa lang ng videos na may mga ganong signs, I think it's AI generated.
Okay. And anything to add pa for Tito Charby?
Yun lang man.
Sige pa, okay lang. Then we move on to the next one pa. Which parts of the video do you notice most when deciding if it is real? So siguro you already said na ba yung when it's not in sync pa or like when it's blurry, diba? You agree? Sige, okay. We can skip that one na lang.
Same, minsan, ayun pa, in addition, siguro, yung, alam mo yung context ng videos were parang scripted siya. Parang ganun.
Okay. And then, okay. Then for the next question, does facial movements, voice quality, and visuals do affect your ability to judge a video? How? Because nowadays, diba, AI has been rapidly growing. It's almost hard to differentiate if it's real or fake. So, how does it really affect you to judge a video when it's really real? And how would you not fall for it? Ganun.
Ano talaga yes, mahirap na siya i-differentiate ngayon. Pero, meron pa rin very, very slight na, it's obvious na meron pa rin. Pero, maybe in the future, mas magiging okay siya. Pero, ayan, kaya pa rin naman siya i-distinguish if it's AI or not sa ngayon.
Okay. Thank you for that.
Especially sa parang roll-out na din.
Sige po. We move on to the next one. Your next question po. Yung second to last po. What makes it difficult for you to tell if a medical advertisement video is real or fake? Is there any factors po that you cannot differentiate yourself when you actually come across it?
Tong part na to, yun nga, nowadays, medyo, yun nga, syempre yung technology natin is nag-enhance. Sobrang hirap na rin, especially if you're not into social media or technology. Ang hirap niyang i-determine if it's real or fake. Pero may cues pa rin naman that hindi ko na sure ko or hindi na namin sure if hanggang kung madedetermine pa ba natin katagalan. Ayun. So sobrang meron yun, pahirap na pahirap, pagaling na ng pagaling yung technology natin.
Okay. Thank you for that one. Then last question na po, yung final question. How do you usually decide whether to trust or question a medical advertisement you see on Facebook?
Pagdating dito sa deciding factor, ayun, maybe yun nga, kung na-experience na namin yung medical concern na yun or advertisement is kumbaga in-advise din ng medical professional sa amin, mag-asawa. Maybe pwede namin paniwalaan or galing siya, nagpo-post is possible real medical professionals. Siguro, sometimes kasi may mga ganun eh. Ang nagpo-post mismo is medical professionals. Nag-generate sila. Maybe they're trying to be creative or in a way na mas makatch yung tao. Pero kung ano yung sinasabi nung videos nila, it's totoo. Kung credible naman yung page siguro or yung may-ari ng page na nag-generate ng video, maybe we can trust that.
Okay. Thank you. Anything to add po for the last question, Tita Charvi?
Wala na daw.
Siguro same answer ba?
Yes, the same answer from both of us.
Sige. That is all of our 15 questions po. I think that is all that we that we need to ask po. So that will conclude lang po yung yung interview. So I just want to thank you for your time po for this evening kasi it's so late. So thank you na lang po. Josh, you can say goodbye.
Thank you po. Thank you po for the interview.
Sige, thank you for the time po.
Bye.
Sige, ingat po. Good night.
Hoping na matulungan namin kayo sa
Bye po.
Sige, dyan.
Bye.
Bye po.
Bye po.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ingat po.
Bye po.
Dude. I mean they answered most of it. It's not that you have to answer all. What?
Yeah. To be honest, I don't know how to say this, but like,